I'm excited. Our friends at BuckTool just sent us another box. And what's in this box, you've never seen on a sharpening channel or on YouTube. This is very exciting. In this video, we're gonna see if what's in this box can take a punch. We're gonna find out if the motor hums, if the belts track, or if the platin's flat. And if it's not, well, then we know. We're gonna run this thing hard. All right, it's time to see what's in this thing. All right, let's get inside of this thing. This time we're gonna be careful of the stickers. There they are. Yeah, we got a new sticker pack. Instructions. That's a big old heavy duty tool rest there. Wrench. Oh, there's multiple. Look at that. Ooh, this is actually kind of excited. It's Christmas again. Oh, got an angle setter. Yeah, buddy. Some kind of safety equipment. So FYI, there's one loose washer in here. I think it fell out of this bag. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my God. All right, this is the spot I always struggle with, getting it out of the box. Oh, yeah, I'm a power lifter. In case you didn't know, 1992, 1993 state champion. There she is. We've got the 4x36 belt grinder. Holy cow. All right, this steel plate is here just for shipping purposes. Pop that bad boy off and we'll use that plate for something else later. There you go. Hook and loop, 120 grit. Oh, that's cool. We've got I believe that's a vacuum port, which, if that's what that is, that's kind of brilliant. You just hook your vacuum up to this thing and yeah, I think that's what that is. Check this out. We've got, I think that's exactly what that is, because there's all this grill up here. I mean, yeah, I think that's a vacuum port. Very cool. More tools, more machines should have that built in. Oh, and then I can go pop those screws back in there. My vacuum port housing. Looks like another, oh, yeah, maybe another vacuum port on this side over here. Yep. So each side has a dedicated vacuum port. Oh, there we go. That's how it goes. I can see this coming in handy for all kinds of stuff here. One thing about some of these machines is there's the screws. I don't know if this thing needs to be this long. Oh, it comes off. Oh, I see. So this is outside of my realm here, but this is a plunge line jig. Every day, something, the universe is pulling me a little closer to knife making every day. I had no idea that this machine was intended for that purpose. So it's essentially just a solo platen here. Oh, I see. I see. So you just find how you want to find that angle you want. Just press your blade against it. All right, let's power her on for the first time together. Well, that was actually a really easy build. This BuckTool, 4x36 variable speed belt grinder, very easy to put together. I glanced at the instructions a few times. The illustrations are great. I didn't have to read a single word. Pretty sure I got the whole thing put together. It runs very smooth, as you saw. No issues. The vacuum feature, that's really interesting. That's cool. I'm looking forward to seeing how it performs later. And you might have noticed no steel today, no grinding, no ripping. Unfortunately, I have to put together, not unfortunately, but I need to put together a demo reel of this for BuckTool. I'm going to work on that tomorrow. That way this weekend we can grind. Make sure you're subscribed. In that plunge line platen, I was not expecting that to be in there. Is the universe telling me I need to make a knife?